Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I am Vasilikis and in this video I'm going to share with you my favorite makeup products of October. Most of the products that I will show you today are from the drugstore because I was trying a lot of drugstore products this month, and I will also show you some products that I was using from September. Let me know in the comments below what is your favorite product at the moment, and also share this video with a friend that likes drugstore products. If you want to see more videos from me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on the notification bell to get notified for all my latest videos. And without further ado, let's get started with the favorites. I will start with the face products, and the first product is the mattifying pore minimizing primer with black clay by Essence. I have done a review and a wear test for this primer, and I have also used it with more foundations that I have, and I like that this one is not tight on my skin. It makes my foundations long lasting. I have also used this one with the new Essence liquid makeup, the Insta Perfect. This primer makes the foundation completely matte. I always like mattifying primers, mattifying foundations, and I have dry skin, but I like the matte effect because when I use more glow boosting products, they can intensify the texture that I have on my skin and also my enlarged pores, and I don't like it. Essence also released a glow boosting primer and the redness correcting primer. I like the glow boosting primer. The redness correcting, it's not my favorite, so I am trying to use it a little bit more before I show it to you in my disappointing makeup products. I will give it one more try, and this one is my favorite because it is mattifying and it works very well on my skin. Next, I have two products by Catrice Cosmetics. These are the makeup transformer drops in darkening and also in lightening, and I have been using these for the last couple of months and they work very well for me. They both mix very well with all of my foundations that I have used. When I want to make my foundation darker, I will use a small amount of this product because a small amount goes a long way with this one. And when I want to make my foundation lighter in color, I will use the lightening. With this one, I can use a little bit more. It's not as pigmented as this one. They don't change the finish of the foundation, so if you use them with a mattifying foundation, it will stay mattifying. You can also use this when you get a little bit more tanned and your foundation is lighter in color. You can use the darkening drops and change the color. You don't have to buy a new foundation. If you have bought the wrong shade for your foundation and it is darker, you can use the lightening drops and you're done. You can use your foundation. I also got the Essence Transformer drops and I haven't tried them yet, so I want to see if they are similar to this. After that, I have some products by Wet n Wild. I have recently started using products from this brand and I am very happily surprised. I have also an eyeshadow palette by Wet n Wild, the Comfort Zone, that it is so good. And this one here is the contouring palette in the shade Dulce de Leche. Both of the shades are very creamy and easy to blend on my skin. They have very nice pigmentation. This works very well with other face products that I have. I also have the highlighting powder in the color Precious Petals. I have talked about this in a lot of my videos. It is so beautiful on the skin. It doesn't give that very frosty effect, and I like that because it is blending so easy with my foundation and it gives a very natural glowy effect. I am also thinking to get one more shade to see how it looks on me, but this one looks fantastic. Next, we have these two beautiful blush boxes by Catrice Cosmetics in the color Golden Coral and Glistening Pink. I use these blushes all the time. They have a matte finish. They blend very nice on my skin. They have very nice color payoff and they are very pigmented when I blend them on my skin. You can also find them in darker shades and lighter shades. I can say that I like a little bit more Golden Coral because I like these colors for my blushes. They are very complementary for my skin tone. Let's continue with some eye products, and I have these Melted Chrome eyeshadows by Essence. I have done a review for all the colors. You can see all of them, but my most favorite colors of the 6 are Think About You and Ironic. Think About You is a very beautiful light pink shimmery eyeshadow, very creamy, and in the review that I have done you can see how you can use them and make them more intense if you want, or you can have a more natural finish for every day. The other one is Ironic, and this one is a light champagne color that looks so beautiful on the eyes. These are my favorite colors for shimmery eyeshadows because I can just use them with a brown eyeshadow into my crease and have a very nice, beautiful everyday makeup look. I like the formula of these. They are very easy to use. A mascara that I have been loving for at least I think 6 months is the Superhero Mascara by IT Cosmetics. This one gives a fantastic volumizing effect to my lashes. It defines them very well. I like the brush, I like the formula, I like that it makes very black and uplifted my lashes. This is a mini size and it was a gift in my order when I got from beautylish.com this palette here, the Catrice palette by Vizart or Viziart. No idea. The full size, I think it is around 20 euros. In my opinion, it is worth the money. However, I don't like spending a lot of money on mascaras because it is something that I change a lot. I prefer investing my money on eyeshadow palettes instead of mascaras. And also I have found a lot of drugstore volumizing mascaras that are amazing. So I don't think I will buy it very soon, but this is a very nice mascara if you are willing to pay a little bit more. I also have some favorite lip products, and one of them is a Deweyful Lips Conditioning Lip Butter by Catrice Cosmetics with shea butter, and this is in the color Let's Do This! It makes my lips very luxurious and glossy. I like the color. I will show it to you. I don't know, I like the color so much. On my lips I already had Eternal Beauty by Essence. This is the Ultra Last Instant Color lipstick and I got this one from the Essence Advent Calendar. I like the applicator, the packaging that looks like this. It gives a very shiny effect on the lips. It is very comfortable. It doesn't have a weird scent or taste and I can wear this all the time, all day. This is a fantastic color. You can also find it in 4 colors and I just wanted to test this one. If you are looking for an affordable lip gloss, this is a very nice option. And of course, one of my favorite products of the month is this lipstick here. This is the Velvet Matte Lipstick by Essence and I have the color Dusty Romance. You can see the lip swatches for all the colors of this lipstick and I will have a card here. I have also done a wear test so you can see how it looks after a few hours, and this is very comfortable on the lips and I like a lot of the colors that we have in the collection. What I like about these lipsticks is the color payoff and how creamy they are, and you just need a small amount of this lipstick and it is very easy to apply it. All of these are my favorites of the month. Let me know if you also like these products and if we have the same favorites. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up so I know that you want me to do more favorites videos. If you want to learn more about makeup and also see some more videos from me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and I will see you in my next video. Bye!